सो हेलो फ्रेंड, 5 बैंक के बारे में बात करने वाले. देयर आर 5 banks I'm gonna discuss, and let's see. The right now in the evening I'm outside in the town, and I'm show you some uh, glimpse of this area, and then after I'll tell you the more information. That's signing at the moment to the flights, and this Santander Bank over in this building. You can have, and this is NetWest, another bank, and Barclay है सामने, Barclay Bank, and Nationwide. ये है आपका Barclay, ये Nationwide, ये बैंक है, ये Nationwide बैंक है, ठीक है. और जस्ट इसके अपोजिट ये है आपका लॉयड्स बैंक. टाउन में हूँ इस समय, मिडल ऑफ द टाउन. सीधा नाइट लाइफ ऑफ द टाउन. There are 5 banks I'm going to tell you. The 3 are the local bank and 2 is online bank. So before move further, I would like to request you please subscribe to channel. If you love the content, please give a thumbs up, because such videos I'm going to make and give you the more information about the UK and how the things happen over here and what are the lives and everything I try to tell you, and my experience as well. And have already uploaded one video that is for my experience of 1 month, which is I'm here. So please have a look that video, please watch that video, you will get more idea about it. So the next thing I'm gonna tell you that the first bank you should you come here, the moment you land here, you just try to transfer your money from the your home country, and you need a money to just do your daily expenses, because you cannot carry cash all the time in your pocket. So the first bank is HSBC. This is widely famous known bank over here, and it has good prestige, and it will provide the facility to the students as well who are coming here into the UK. So what you have to do, you just go to the bank and just ask this, I want to open the account. They'll ask you some documents like first your passport, second your university letter, and some they can ask you some more informations, just like share codes and your current address. So these are the information that they can ask, and online they will open the account, and it's not gonna take much time. Within 15 to 20 minutes they will open the account online, and after within 1 week you'll get the letter from the bank for the debit card, and then you are good to go, and you can use that account. You can transfer the amount from your home country to in that account, and you can use widely that bank. Second bank, when Lloyds Banks is also quite famous over here, and the same thing you have to do there, and you have to visit the bank, and then you can you can just open your account. And the third is Santander Bank. Santander Bank is also famous over here, and you can go the same kind, you can do other things. And you have a question that why not Barclay? Barclay is widely famous and quite prestige bank over in UK. But one thing I would like to tell you, that if you have been a 3 year in UK, then you can open the account. Otherwise they will deny you the moment you reach to there, and they they won't open the account for you because you are new to the country. And so after 3 years you can open the account into that bank. Another bank which you can select, that is as I mentioned that online banks you can use. These are the banking just like your Monjo is quite easy and friendly to use. One day you can open the account, and then within 2 to 3 days days they will send you the uh, you know your card, debit card, and you can one day you can open the account, you can transfer the money, and you can use your daily expenses in that. And the second is Revolut is also the online bank. You can do the same thing in that. You just put the information whatever they ask you. They'll ask you for face recognition and your passport and everything. The moment you complete this process, you can open the account. You generally, and you can use these banks. For my experience, I opened the accounts in the HSBC as well as the Lloyds banks, and I visited the banks, and then I just explained my information. They just took only 15 to 20 minutes, and they opened my account. All of that. So these are the information which you can utilize to open the accounts. And one thing, अगर आप जो बैंक में विजिट करते हैं तो don't be worried, they will open the accounts, and because they always ask the your proof of address, and university letter is the best into that situation. और अगर आपके माइंड में हो कि जैसे आप नेशन वाइड बैंक हैं या अदर बैंक से वहाँ पर भी जा सकते, नेशन वाइड हो गया और आपका जो है कोऑपरेटिव बैंक्स हो गया और हैलिफैक्स बैंक हो गया, दीज आर द अदर बैंक्स जहाँ पर विजिट कर सकते हैं. बट फिर 5 बैंक्स जहाँ पर मोस्टली स्टूडेंट्स अपना अकाउंट खुलवाते हैं, तो इन बैंकों में आप जो है अकाउंट्स खुलवा सकते हैं और अपना पैसा ट्रांसफर कर सकते हैं. क्योंकि इफ़ यू आर थिंकिंग दैट आई हैव अ फॉरेक्स कार्ड आप यूज कर सकते हैं, बट नॉट फॉर द लॉन्गर टाइम. बिकॉज अगर आपको सपोज यू वर्क हियर, आपको एक लोकल बैंक चाहिए जहाँ पे आप सैलरी क्रेडिट होगी आपकी. सेकंड थिंग, आपको अगर आप आपका ओवरसीज बैंक अकाउंट यूज करते हैं, आप कहीं से भी आते हैं, बांग्लादेश से आते हैं, पाकिस्तान से, इंडिया से, या फिर नेपाल से, किसी भी कंट्री से आते हैं, तो आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, आपका जो ट्रांसफ़र है अमाउंट करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि वो बहुत टैक्सेबल पड़ेगा और would be more expensive than using over here. For salary purpose, these are the banks which I would recommend you. So ये थी वीडियो. और अगर कोई सजेशन, कोई क्वेश्चन, कोई आप इस तरह का चाहते हैं, कोई कॉन्टेक्ट, so just do let me know and write it down in the comment box so that I can just make the video for you and make your life easy and better. And if you're coming thinking to UK, just watch this video and subscribe this channel for the upcoming videos. I want to upload more and more such contents which will give you the more information, and you can good to work. Okay, so see you, take care, bye.